Here's 4 ways to have diabetes before you turn 30. And wait mo lang dahil yung pang-apat, baka nasasama mo sa diet mo or baka hindi. But first, tanggalin natin itong tea na nakakatulong makapapayat and of course, nakakatulong with the brain fog. Siguro hindi natin siya kailangan kasi gusto natin ng diabetes. First, syempre, pipila ka ng mahaba to have that sugar rush. And not just that, pastries pa. Second, syempre, breakfast. Have this in the morning. And third ingredients pa lang, sugar na. Syempre, gusto natin magka-diabetes before 30. Third, have that apple juice before lunch. Isama mo na para paktapak ang energy. But then again, gusto natin ng diabetes before we reach 30. And lastly, fiber. Take it away from your diet because when you take this away, your insulin will be high all the time. And when it's high, hindi na pa-process yon ng katawan natin ng maayos. Pag hindi yun na-process, diabetes can lead to this and can lead to more chronic illnesses. So, think what you buy and make sure you choose health. Bye, bestie.